Hello ladies and gentlemen, Ella's here as every week for checking Promax Gold EA results on our Myfxbook and our VPS. Welcome to another episode. Promax is the first fully automatic gold trading robot with a smart news filter which allows this EA to analyze both fundamental and technical news. Make sure to watch till the end to see its performance on 3 tested and proven presets. Let's check our Myfxbook first and then our VPS. First, we have preset number 1 of Promax on a $1,000 account, which is real and verified. We have the growth chart, which you can change it based on what you want to check. The total gain is 10.91%, which is $109.05, with 5.53% monthly gain and 4.59% drawdown. Also in the next part, we had 0.24% profit, which is $2.68 for the past week. Scrolling down, we have 85% win rate with this preset. 2,493 pips has been traded with 1.24 lots. Scrolling down also, monthly analytics shows you each month's results, which for May we had 8.51% and for the June 2.21% profit. We have preset number 1 of Promax Gold EA on our VPS. As you can see, we have Promax product box here with the address of our website. Next to the chart, we have this open window which shows you your account details and your robot settings. Right now, there is 0 open trades. Below that, we have trade section, which is duration has been set for the past week. $5.48 has been gained with this preset of Promax Gold EA. Preset number 2 of Promax we have here. The account is real and verified with $100,000 initial deposit. Let's check the results. Totally, we had 75.91% profit, which is $76,777.38 profit with 3.99% monthly gain. Trading section shows for the past week we had 2.27% profit, which is $3,703.07. Profitability is 77% for this preset, which means it has won 683 out of 889 trades. 18,177 pips has been traded with 1,445.19 lots. The average win is also 241.23 pips, which is $455.72. Alright, this is our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset number 2. The appearance and details are the same as the other one, and only the settings are different. The trade section shows you every trade details with its exact time. The duration has been customized and set for the past week. So let's scroll down to check the final profit. For the past week, $3,703.07 has been gained by preset number 2 of Promax. This one is preset number 3 of Promax, which has an initial deposit of $1,000. This account is also real and verified. Net profit for this account is 15.54%, which is $155.39 with 2.88% monthly gain. Next part, we had 2.31% profit for the past week, which is $26.14. Win rate for this preset is 73% with totally 21,001 pips and 4.09 lots. As the other presets of Promax, the look and details of this preset, which is number 3, are the same also. So without hesitation, let's check the profit. Scrolling down. $28.60 has been gained with preset number 3 for the past week. If you want to be one of our Promax users, make sure to not miss our summer flash sale and click on the link in the description. Also, the coupon code is written in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our social medias. Thanks for watching this episode. See you in next videos.